As an Arnis practitioner for more than 35 years, and awarded as National Arnis Silver Medalist, Mindanao Arnis Gold Medalist, and the recipient of the prestigious award from the Office of the President in the Philippines for my outstanding performance as Best Arnis Coach during the first National Palaro ng Bayan Championships last March 5, 2000. I would like to impart my knowledge and learning of these martial arts, especially the fighting techniques I am teaching, and my modern practical stick combat for self-defense, which I believe very essential for those who are interested to learn for self-defense. Just feel relaxed and watch the video. What we are going to do now is to demonstrate the modern practical stick combat fighting techniques, which is different from typical Arnis, because in modern practical stick combat, we use hands and legs simultaneously to initiate the attack, without giving the opponent a chance to counter-attack. In typical Arnis, once I strike the opponent, he will block my strike and immediately counter. And it goes like this. See? But in modern practical stick combat, that could no longer be used, because when I strike, immediately my right hook kick already hit the body of the opponent. And this is the example. See the difference? So the opponent has no more chance to counter attack. Now, another situation is like this. When my opponent strikes me, usually the typical Arnis would block. Then my opponent would make a follow-up strike, just like this. Okay, that is now the situation. But in modern practical stick combat, that kind of technique that could no longer be used. My opponent could no longer make a follow-up attack. Why? Because once the modern practical stick combat practitioner will block, the stick or the weapon of the opponent automatically, this kick already hit the body of the opponent. And this is the example. See? That is what makes this modern practical stick combat different from typical Arnis. Okay, if you have noticed, my offensive and defensive techniques are just the same. The opponent has no more chance to counter and follow up his attacks. Meaning to say, while you are practicing the modern practical stick combat offensive techniques, at the same time, you are practicing the defensive techniques, which are very practical and simple to perform. that's enough for now. Please like, share, and don't miss to watch the next videos by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.